In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on LinkedIn. As we navigate through these steps, I'll guide you in choosing a language that best suits your needs for connecting with professionals across the globe. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and enter your login information to access your profile. If you've set up two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone or second device handy to complete the login process swiftly. Having logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage, where you can see your network updates and more. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your LinkedIn page. You should see your profile icon there, often represented by your profile picture, or a general avatar if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. Give that little icon a click and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options related to your account, settings, and preferences. In the drop-down menu, look for the section labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn houses a range of customization options that allow you to tailor your experience on the platform. Here, amidst the customizable settings, you'll find the option labeled Language. Click on Language to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking, a new page will appear, presenting you with various language choices. LinkedIn offers numerous language options to accommodate its diverse user base. Scroll through the list until you spot your preferred language. It's important to note that changing your language setting doesn't affect the language in which others have chosen to display their profiles, but it will alter the language for your LinkedIn interface, making it easier for you to navigate. Once you've found your desired language, select it. This action will usually prompt a brief loading process as LinkedIn makes the transition across your profile interface. It's a straightforward process, but a refresh of your current page might be necessary for these changes to be fully implemented. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn interface should now be in your chosen language, providing you with a more comfortable browsing experience. Keep in mind that you can repeat these steps anytime if you need to switch to another language or revert to a previous setting. Being able to easily switch languages enhances your ability to better manage communications and networking across different languages and regions. Take a moment to explore your interface, which should now reflect your new language preference. Having a more personalized LinkedIn experience can make a significant difference in how you utilize the platform. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of LinkedIn.